Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good to see you. Welcome back to my channel Britain Job Edu. Education is for all. Education for all. Today we learn about make a new file in Autodesk Inventor. And I'm sorry if my English is not fluent. Okay, for the step is click twice in icon Autodesk Inventor. And then click new, click file, new. Choose what the tab do you want to make. I want to make assembly. You can click twice or click create. Wait for a moment. Enjoy your work design. You can design in this file. Thanks for watching my video, and if you can get benefit in my channel, you can always support with subscribe and like to my video. Nice to meet you.